Today we're going to be working on a 2006 to 2010 Hyundai Sonata. And okay, so this one specifically is a 2008. I want to start out pulling these caps, Phillips head screw. Of course, this one down here is a Phillips head screw. In here, Phillips head, and then this will be the same way. I usually have a little screwdriver. I have no idea what I did with it. My last job, I think I left it there. And I didn't realize until I started on this, but I've got a Phillips head screwdriver for this one here. Two. So far, 4 fasteners total.
Please proceed.
Makes it easy. A lot of these door panels will have also clips. So once you get stuff like this removed, you can kind of tug on. Some of them you need a panel puller or some kind of pry tool, but a lot of times once you get a tool, I found that just tugging on it will do the trick. But like I said, this one I haven't done in a while, so make sure we're not missing something here. Of course, pull that out. Cover. And then you got clips on the bottom. So all I did was just grab the bottom of the panel and pull back. And since we already have our other fasteners, you're going to be lifting up on this panel. Okay. Now we're not done with the hidden fasteners. I've got another one I need to show you that is a Phillips head screw. Before we get to that point down here, I've got the disconnect here for the switch. Just a little clip. There we go. I'll set that panel aside. Gonna need it. Okay. Now, this has an inner panel, which I just love, and it's all 10 millimeter bolts. Discovery, something you watch out for. That is a Phillips head screw that went to the bottom of that panel. Look at that. Totally missed that. It's really hidden. So, don't do that. Don't do what I just did. It's got a Phillips head screw right here. And I thought with clips, which it did. Here are your clips right here, yellow. So it's not ruined per se, but don't do what I just did. And if you have power, you would just simply roll your window down. In this case, you can't do that because I don't have any power out here. I'm gonna see if I can disconnect my motor from the regulator, and then it'll free up the window and be able to move it down. Motor off there, I'll be able to move the window up and down freely. Just go figure. Okay, back to this. I'm pulling the vent, doing all this stuff. There is a 10 millimeter here, and for added fun and adventure, you have to pull this upper trim up here. You got to pull it because there's a Phillips head. You need to pull that to get this vent glass out of here. It's a must. Okay, so rolling this window down, I've unbolted this here, taken this fastener out up here. Now we can pull this, take this out. That piece goes in there. When you go back to install it, and you got to slide it over to get it in. Now, to help installing it, you'll want to take this outer door trim piece off right here. To do that, you're going to take the Phillips head out here. And there should be one on the other side. There it is right there. Okay. In doing that, you should be able to pull, let's see. be able to pull up on that, get it out of the way, install your vent glass, and then pop this back on. Okay.